Hi everyone, welcome back. Hope you all are doing well. In my today's video, I'll be sharing with you all a 3-bedroom property with a garage. This is Woodford from Gleesonhomes. So stay tuned and watch this video till the end. It could be useful to you. This is located in Bradford. It's a developed area and you have really good schools nearby. Now going with the floor plans, in the ground floor you have the living room, kitchen with dining, washroom and a garage. On the first floor you have 3 bedrooms with the master bedroom having the ensuite facilities and a common family bathroom. Now as you enter the house, you'll find a small hall in front of you with various partitions made towards the living space, kitchen and dining and also the first floor. They managed to give a small window towards the entrance here from where you can actually keep an eye on the garage and also check out what's happening outside. So first, let's explore the living space. The living room is coming towards the front end here, and as you can see, it's a quite decent living room with a good space. It's actually given in length. Having less furniture in any house makes it look more big actually. So it's totally up to you. You can plan a lengthy sofa like this, how they showed in this show home, or 2 different sofa sets as well. Also, if you want, you can plan a small study table towards the other end. The space is quite okay. You'll be getting a wide window towards the front end here, so plenty of natural light falling in this living room. So from this living room here, let's move towards the kitchen and dining spaces which are coming just behind it. So this is the kitchen with the dining space. Again, it's totally up to you whether you want to plan a small dining table like this towards the corner, or if you want, you can actually plan it in the living space. But otherwise the kitchen is quite okay. As you can see, the worktop is spread out to 3 different sides, and in between there is decent space. Also, they managed to give plenty of cupboards both at the top and even at the bottom. And here you're getting the refrigerator space. Also, ventilation wise, it's really good. They also gave one extra window towards the kitchen side, and you also have the French door access towards the garden. And in this particular model they gave this electric cooking. If you want, you can go for the gas as well. The boiler is given here in the kitchen, and you'll be getting a decent garden with fence around it at the back. Now let's check out the washroom which is coming in the ground floor. So here this washroom is actually facing towards the kitchen. The entrance is from the kitchen. It's a small washroom. You have the water closet, sink, and they gave an exhaust. This was all about the ground floor. Now let's move towards the first floor and check out the rooms there. As I told you in the beginning, on the first floor we have 3 bedrooms with the master bedroom having the ensuite facilities and a common family bathroom. So first, let's explore the master bedroom of the house. So this is the master bedroom. As you can see, it's a double bedroom. The space is quite good. A double cot can fit in, and you have plenty of room space to walk around. They gave a nice window towards one side, so plenty of natural light falling in this bedroom. Quite a decent bedroom, and also the interiors look good. The color combination, everything looks very attractive. And from the windows here, you can actually get the front view of the house. Now towards the opposite side, they actually gave the wardrobes, and also the ensuite is coming. So first, let's check out the wardrobes here. What they did is they actually managed to split this wardrobe here, and in between you have the entrance towards the bathroom. You can actually plan, a lot of stuff in these cupboards here. It's not a bad idea. Now let's check out the ensuite. The space looks quite okay. It's given in length. Towards one side you're getting the walk-in shower, in between they gave the sink, and towards the opposite corner you're getting the water closet, and in the middle they also managed to give the window, so plenty of light falling in the bathroom. This is all about the master bedroom of the house. Now let's move to the second bedroom. So the second and third bedrooms are coming towards the opposite side of the master bedroom. So this is the second bedroom of the house. Now if you ask me to describe the shape of this particular bedroom, it's a bit difficult. Normally you do get these type of bedrooms on the second floor, but here because they choose to have this kind of house plan, like the slanting cut in the front, probably because of that this particular bedroom is getting this shape. So in this bedroom you may not be able to plan a double cot, but otherwise the bedroom is okay. Towards one side you can plan a small single cot, and towards the opposite side you have a decent space to plan your wardrobes. And there's a nice window coming towards the front end, so plenty of light falling in this room. This is all about the second bedroom of the house. Now let's check out the third bedroom. So this is the third bedroom. This is the smallest bedroom in the house, but again the space looks quite okay. You can plan a single cot here like this, and again there's plenty of room space to walk around. If you want, you can also plan a small wardrobe towards the other end. Even in this room they gave a nice window towards one side, so plenty of natural light falling in this room. Overall, a decent bedroom. Now let's check out the common bathroom, which is coming just beside it. So this is the family bathroom. The space looks quite okay. You're getting a tub, water closet, sink, and they also gave a window in this bathroom. So the ventilation is really good. We covered all the rooms in this property. Overall, a decent property for good price. You'll be getting 2 car park space in the front. Also, there's a garage coming towards the front end. Now here I would like to introduce to you all the Cherries online shopping app. This is much similar to that of the other shopping apps which you normally use. And on your first purchase you can use my discount code, that is Rita20, and avail up to 20% discount. You really have a lot of variety on this website. Do check it out. I bought few items for this Christmas, which include the sugar, custard, comfort, tissues, chocolates, and also some storage bags. I hope you liked watching my today's video. Do give me your suggestions and feedback in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Also, if you're watching my channel for the first time and if you haven't subscribed yet, Make sure to hit that subscribe button and feel free to activate the bell icon at the bottom so that you won't miss out on my future uploads. Stay safe, stay connected. See you in another vlog.